reckon?
Yeah, without a shadow of a doubt.
No, I think it's bullshit.
1 minute to not 50.
Yeah.
4.7. That is
4.7 is and we're getting numerous. Just take 7 or 8 seconds off that. You'd be up with the Trevor Reeves and the Gordon Ramsays. Steve was
I think you
impressed.
should sing it up then, definitely.
And on that bombshell, it's probably time to end. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen,